How to detect and fix exhaust pipe leaks like a pro. Exhaust pipe leaks can be a sneaky and potentially hazardous issue for any vehicle. Not only do they compromise your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency, but they can also pose a serious health risk by allowing toxic gases like carbon monoxide to seep into the cabin. That's why it's crucial to be able to identify and diagnose exhaust pipe leaks promptly. Welcome to Auto V-Fix, our YouTube channel exclusively dedicated to all things automotive. In this comprehensive guide, we'll cover various leak detection methods, common leak locations, and diagnostic techniques, empowering you to tackle this problem like a seasoned mechanic. The dangers of exhaust pipe leaks. Before we dive into the detection and diagnosis process, it's essential to understand the potential risks associated with exhaust pipe leaks. 1. Carbon monoxide poisoning. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, and highly toxic gas that can be deadly if inhaled in large quantities. Exhaust pipe leaks can allow this gas to enter the vehicle's cabin, putting occupants at risk. 2. Decreased performance. Exhaust pipe leaks can disrupt the proper flow of exhaust gases, leading to a loss of power, reduced fuel efficiency, and potentially damaging the engine or catalytic converter. 3. Increased emissions. Leaks in the exhaust system can cause your vehicle to fail emissions tests as the exhaust gases are not being properly treated and expelled. 4. Noise pollution. Exhaust pipe leaks can also result in increased noise levels, creating a loud and unpleasant driving experience. Detecting exhaust pipe leaks. There are several signs and symptoms that can indicate the presence of an exhaust pipe leak. Being aware of these indicators can help you identify the issue early on and take appropriate action. 1. Unusual noises. Pay attention to any new or unusual noises coming from the exhaust system, such as hissing, tapping, or rattling sounds. These can be signs of a leak or a loose component. 2. Visible exhaust fumes. If you notice exhaust fumes or smoke coming from areas other than the tailpipe, it could be an indication of a leak in the exhaust system. 3. Reduced performance. If your vehicle experiences a noticeable decrease in power, acceleration, or fuel efficiency, it may be due to an exhaust leak disrupting the proper flow of gases. 4. Discoloration or soot buildup. Look for discoloration or soot buildup around potential leak areas, as this can indicate the presence of an exhaust leak. 5. Check engine light. In some cases, an exhaust leak can trigger the check engine light on your vehicle's dashboard, alerting you to a potential issue. Common exhaust pipe leak locations. Exhaust pipe leaks can occur at various points throughout the system. Here are some of the most common locations to inspect. 1. Exhaust manifold gaskets. These gaskets seal the connection between the exhaust manifold and the exhaust pipe and can deteriorate over time, leading to leaks. 2. Flex pipes or bellow sections. The flexible sections of the exhaust system are prone to wear and tear, potentially developing cracks or holes that allow gases to escape. 3. Pipe joints and clamps. Loose or damaged clamps or improperly sealed pipe joints can create gaps where exhaust gases can leak out. 4. Catalytic converter. The catalytic converter can develop internal or external leaks due to cracks, corrosion, or improper installation, or I say. Muffler and resonator. Rust, corrosion, or physical damage can cause holes or cracks in the muffler or resonator, leading to exhaust leaks. 6. Tailpipe. The tailpipe is also susceptible to rust, corrosion, and damage, potentially resulting in leaks at the rear of the exhaust system. Diagnostic techniques for exhaust pipe leaks. Once you've identified the potential presence of an exhaust leak, it's time to pinpoint the exact location. Here are some effective diagnostic techniques. 1. Visual inspection. Thoroughly inspect the entire exhaust system, paying close attention to the common leak locations mentioned above. Look for signs of rust, corrosion, discoloration, or physical damage that could indicate a leak. 2. Audible detection. With the engine running, use a mechanic's stethoscope or a long screwdriver placed against various points along the exhaust system to listen for hissing or whistling sounds that can help pinpoint the leak location. 3. Smoke or leak detector. Specialized smoke machines or leak detector solutions can be introduced into the exhaust system to help identify leaks visually. As the smoke or solution escapes, it will reveal the precise location of the leak. 4. Pressure testing. A pressure testing kit can be used to pressurize the exhaust system and check for pressure drops, which can indicate the presence and approximate location of a leak. 5. Infrared thermometer. An infrared thermometer can help detect temperature differences along the exhaust system, as leaks will cause localized hotspots or cooler areas near the leak. 6. Engine diagnostic scan. In some cases, an exhaust leak can trigger diagnostic trouble codes that can be read using an OBD2 scanner, providing valuable information about the potential leak location. Repair and prevention strategies. Once the exhaust pipe leak has been accurately diagnosed, it's time to address the issue. Depending on the location and severity of the leak, repairs may involve 1. Gasket or seal replacement. Replacing deteriorated gaskets or seals at the exhaust manifold, catalytic converter, or pipe joints can effectively seal minor leaks. 2. Pipe or component replacement. For more severe leaks or extensive damage, replacing the leaking pipe section, catalytic converter, muffler, or other components may be necessary. 3. Welding or patching. In some cases, minor holes or cracks can be repaired through welding or patching techniques, providing a cost-effective solution. 4. Regular maintenance and inspections. To prevent future leaks, it's essential to perform regular inspections and maintenance on your exhaust system, addressing any signs of corrosion, damage, or loosening components promptly. And that concludes our discussion on how to detect and fix exhaust pipe leaks. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay safe and happy driving.